What is Metaverse? A complete guide. Metaverse is a decentralized platform based on blockchain technology. It allows for the creation of digital assets and smart contracts and provides a virtual world for users to interact with. In this guide, we will explore what Metaverse is and its origin, how it works, its benefits, and many more. What is Metaverse and its origin? Metaverse is a decentralized virtual universe powered by blockchain technology. It is a 3D platform that allows users to create, connect, and trade virtual assets and experiences. Metaverse is also home to avatars, which are digital representations of users. Origin of Metaverse. The origin of Metaverse is traced back to the early 2000s when Neal Stephenson, an American writer, published a science fiction novel entitled Snow Crash. In the novel, Stephenson introduced the concept of a virtual world based on the metaverse, a combination of the words metadata and universe. The novel inspired a number of entrepreneurs and developers to create a decentralized virtual world that is powered by blockchain technology. How does Metaverse work? Metaverse is powered by blockchain technology and utilizes a number of consensus mechanisms to secure its network. Metaverse uses a proof of work (POW) consensus algorithm to validate transactions on the network. POW is a process that requires users to solve complex mathematical problems in order to verify transactions. In return for their work, users are rewarded with Metaverse coins. In addition, Metaverse utilizes a delegated proof of stake (DPoS) consensus algorithm to reach consensus on the network. Under DPoS, users can stake their coins to vote for delegates. These delegates are responsible for validating transactions and maintaining the network. Finally, Metaverse combines virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR) to create a more immersive experience for users. With VR, users can explore the Metaverse world in a 3D environment. AR allows users to overlay digital objects in the real world. Virtual reality (VR). Virtual reality (VR) is a computer-generated simulation of an environment that allows users to interact with it in a realistic way. VR can transport users to different places and times, which makes it an ideal platform for gaming, education, and other purposes. Augmented reality (AR). Augmented reality (AR) is a technology that overlays digital objects in the real world. AR can be used to provide information about the surrounding environment, such as directions or weather. AR can also be used to enhance gaming experiences and create new ones. What are the benefits of Metaverse? There are a number of benefits to using Metaverse, including decentralized. Metaverse is a decentralized platform that is not controlled by any central authority. This means that users have full control over their data and assets. Secure. Metaverse is powered by blockchain technology, which makes it a secure platform. Private. Metaverse utilizes a number of privacy-enhancing features, such as avatar names and encrypted messaging. Scalable. Metaverse is a scalable platform that can handle a large number of transactions. Innovative. Metaverse is an innovative platform that is constantly introducing new features and improvements. Community-driven. Metaverse is a community-driven platform that is developed by a team of volunteers. Application of Metaverse. Metaverse can be used for a number of different purposes, including social networking. Metaverse can be used as a social networking platform. Users can connect with friends and family, share photos and experiences, and stay up to date on news and events. Business. Metaverse can be used as a business platform. Businesses can use Metaverse to create and manage their online presence, communicate with customers, and sell products and services. Education. Metaverse can be used for educational purposes. Students can use Metaverse to connect with classmates and teachers, access course materials, and collaborate on projects. Gaming. Metaverse can be used for gaming. Gamers can use Metaverse to connect with friends, compete in tournaments, and win prizes. Entertainment. Metaverse can be used for entertainment purposes. Users can use Metaverse to watch videos, listen to music, and read books. NFTs. Metaverse can be used to create and trade non-fungible tokens, NFTs. NFTs are digital assets that are unique and cannot be replicated. Metaverse NFTs can be used to represent anything from digital art to in-game items. How to use Metaverse. Metaverse is a completely open source and decentralized blockchain platform that offers digital assets, identity verification, and smart contracts. The Metaverse platform also allows developers to create their own decentralized applications, dApps, and launch ICOs. You first need to download the Metaverse wallet from the official website to use Metaverse. Once you have installed the wallet, you will need to create a new account and backup your account information. Once you have created an account, you can then start buying and selling digital assets on the Metaverse decentralized exchange. You can also use Metaverse to create smart contracts or launch your own ICO. The future of the Metaverse. Metaverse is a rapidly growing platform with a strong community behind it. The Metaverse team is constantly working on new features and improvements. In the future, Metaverse will become even more decentralized and secure, and more businesses and individuals will use the platform to interact with each other. The Metaverse platform has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with each other and the world around us. In conclusion, Metaverse is a decentralized, secure, and private blockchain platform that offers digital assets, identity verification, and smart contracts. The Metaverse platform also allows developers to create their own decentralized applications, dApps, and launch ICOs. Metaverse is a rapidly growing platform with a strong community behind it. In the future, Metaverse will become even more decentralized and secure, and more businesses and individuals will use the platform to interact with each other.